It feels weird inside the store. Because we're in a grocery store. Here, ready? You should have brought your application. Why didn't you? Why? What thing? Dillweed.
It's watching on Thursday too, so tomorrow.
Anyone need toilet paper? Okay. What kind of sauce are we looking for?
Itchy.
Pads. Okay. What are you watching for?
They should have, this is sugar spicy chicken compared to present.
I know. Toaster strudels. Sam, what are you doing?
She's wandering.
I'm going this way then. Come on.
You saw Animal Crackers?
Are you serious? Hot. He's going to look for animal crackers. Where did he go? So that I have him anymore? Oh.
I haven't had these so long.
Sundays to go. Nutella. Oh my god, they make butterscotch topping. Interesting. Orange cream. Oh yeah. Cookie dough.
They got lions, they got polar bears, they got gorillas, they got elephants.
Oh, it's people. I thought that was Sam. You got your animal crackers? I mean, I used to do those all the time.
I love animal crackers. I haven't had these in so long.
She's just standing there waiting. Oh my god, they have baby food. I have baby food. Oh yeah. Nice sauce.
This is on sale compared to Harry's.
This is Harry's. What are you talking about, Sam? We are in Harry's.
The Harry's brand.
Oh yeah, it's all little. Why? Because we're up front and it's awkward. Pink peep. Peep. Chirp, chirp, chirp. Chirp, chirp. Maybe I shouldn't have done that because it's going to like turn everyone's head and go, ah. Why are you waiting over there when you could be over here? Here?